What is the 4-7-8 breathing method?
The 4-7-8 breathing method is a simple relaxation technique designed to quickly reduce stress and calm the mind. It involves controlled breathing patterns to help regulate your heart rate, decrease anxiety, and promote a sense of tranquility. This method is easy, requires no equipment, and can be practiced almost anywhere, making it a popular tool for fast stress relief.
How the 4-7-8 method works.
The 4-7-8 technique centers on rhythm and focus. You breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 counts, hold your breath for 7 counts, and exhale completely through your mouth for 8 counts. This sequence increases oxygen intake, helps calm the nervous system, and cues your body to relax, breaking the cycle of anxious thoughts and tension.
Step-by-step guide.
Step 1. Sit or lie down comfortably and close your eyes if you wish. Step 2. Inhale quietly through your nose, counting to 4. Step 3. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Step 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat this cycle up to 4 times for fast stress relief.
Why it's effective, the science.
Research shows that controlled breathing slows your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and engages the body's relaxation response. The 4-7-8 breathing method specifically helps regulate the vagus nerve, which influences your body's stress response. Studies have found that regular practice can reduce symptoms of anxiety, improve sleep, and support overall emotional balance.
Tips for success and daily use.
Practice the 4-7-8 method at least twice a day or whenever you need to manage stress quickly. Consistency builds its calming effects over time. Use it before difficult conversations, after stressful situations, or as part of your bedtime routine. Remember, regular use helps train your body and mind to access calm more easily whenever you need it.